Hello, everyone, and welcome to Indiana Airguns. My name's Hope. My name's Hank. Excuse my language. My name's Hank, and I'll be taking you through everything pellet and BB related on this channel. Today we have the Diana Chaser out. It's fitted out with the buck rail kit. Got a Discovery cheap scope up top, little tactical scope. And today we'll be shooting the 8.4 exact JSBs. And we will be shooting down range at about 15 yards at an acorn that I have set up on a little propane tank, and I'll show you that now. So we'll walk down here down range, and right here on top of this propane tank there is a acorn, just to show you a little bit of accuracy today and show you what the gun's capable of. If I can get you set up here, we'll go ahead and get back down range. Fire off a couple shots. See what happens here. Yeah, I'm trying, guys. Bear with me here. Let me see. Got an old can that I've blown up here. Let me see if I can use that to prop you guys up to where you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, that should be sufficient right there. Let me get back up range and bring the lead down range. Well, guys, the Acorn wins this time. That's probably about 10 shots or so. You can see how well they're flattening out there. Nice little group, though. I mean, if you really look at the group, but I wasn't able to hit that nut. Go back and check my zero, and we'll try it again. Once again, that's the Diana Storm Rider pistol carbine set up in the buck rail kit, and shooting JSB 8.4 exacts. I've done this trick shot many a times and been successful. Just thought I'd bring you guys in for an introduction. Later we'll be going over all the guns, everything basically pellet and BB related. Appreciate you guys for hanging out and stopping by and see what Hank is up to over here at Indiana Airguns. Catch you next time.